What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT, Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should listen to today. Over the past 24 hours, we've seen that the market has gained back some of the losses from last week, which is a great thing, but we'll see if that lasts for consecutive days. Strangely enough, the stock market and the crypto market in terms of values and directions have followed each other, so we'll see if that continues. We do believe that the correlation isn't something that's just, I don't know, luck. Or, we do believe that there could be some manipulation that has to go with that or has to do with that. So we'll see as we watch the market further if the two markets start mimicking each other, because even though people do invest based on the economy kind of around the same time and sometimes even the same way, a crypto investor is a lot different than a stock market investor because of the volatility in crypto. So it's not an even exchange between the two when it comes to how you invest. So we'll see if that continues to be a trend and see if that has more to do with manipulation, or we're saying that the overall consumers and investors in the United States and throughout the world are kind of starting to see crypto just as seriously as they see the stock market. But I don't believe that's the case yet. However, one thing that does influence that also is that we're seeing more regulation. And as we're seeing more regulation rolled out, you're starting to see that crypto is being taken more seriously. So much so that today we actually saw Forbes release a list of the top wealth earners or the richest people in crypto. And this list really consists for the most part of business owners like the CEO of Ripple and, those who have a lot of known stock or known big wallets within crypto, big Bitcoin wallets, or those who run exchanges and are making money from those exchanges. But because a lot of people have not self-identified in terms of how much crypto they hold and how many multiple wallets they have and the accumulation of crypto they hold. Really, that list isn't 100% accurate, but I guess it's a good picture of an insight of the crypto market and the crypto business and blockchain business and the growth of it within the last year or two, which goes back to my point from yesterday. If you're worried about this entire industry failing and just going away, it's not. Again, if you look at the job postings and listings, you can see that if you were into blockchain development, you could get paid right now $100,000 to $200,000 on average. If you were just an expert in blockchain, even if you're not a developer, you can get a pretty good paying job based on the average salary in the United States. And it's not one or two companies or organizations that are hiring. This is happening throughout the United States with companies like IBM and such forth that are really trying to boost their team when it comes to crypto and blockchain. So know that with this technology, it's here. The market will continue to expand. But in terms of the investment side, we need to allow this portion of time to pass where regulation is rolled out, because that volatility will become increases more than likely in the next month or so once the regulation has been rolled out and we know what's coming. So again, expect March, April to see prices significantly gain. I expect by then us to be back to all-time highs actually, and probably surpassing that, and then we'll have another correction again. The market always have ups and downs, but I'm just saying that that's the next big up period that I see. Nevertheless, again, this is a good time to invest. Again, a lot of coins are certainly out there for a discount. Look at your real world usage coins, as we've been preaching and saying on this channel time and time again, and pay attention to the market and don't be scared. Right now, in fact, if you were a short-term investor, if just 2 days ago you would have bought some XRP, some Bitcoin, or whatever coin you wanted to buy, for the most part, if you sold today, you could have made anywhere from hundreds of thousands of dollars, while the reports are coming out through the media that this market is doing terrible. In fact, if you look today, you'll see the opposite. So it's funny how from day to day that message changes, but you should not change in terms of how you approach the market. Approach the market not with your bill money, not with credit money, but with money you can afford to lose. Be willing to wait and watch what happens if you plan on betting on the market long term. Me, I believe in the longevity of this market. I hope that these videos and also the evidence itself that's out there and help you to really believe in this market and understand that it's here to stay. Though there will be some losers, there are going to be a lot of winners. Again, talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for supporting my channel. Make sure you subscribe and you check out my videos, like them, and also comment if you have any questions, concerns, or even if you disagree. Hey, I'm willing to talk. Either way, have a good one.